Hello friends, welcome back to Pine IT Developer Zone. Today we are going to discuss about adding junctions. A junction is a connection point of two or more cables. We can show how each fiber in the cables are interconnected in a junction. To add a junction box, we have to select two or more roads. For that, first click on roads, then all roads. Now we can see the list of roads. Select two or more roads according to your need. Here for demonstration purpose, we are selecting trial route and trial route A. Click on this icon. Then we will be redirected to the map. Now we can see the two routes, trial route and trial route A. We are going to add a junction here. First, we have to zoom in. This makes the process more accurate. Press and hold at any point of the map to see an orange balloon-shaped icon. Press and drag it to the connection point of the two roads and release finger. Now we can see a list of markers will appear. We can see control room, large junction box, small junction or node, and end connection. These four markers are related to the junction. Click on small junction or node. Here we can see a dialog box like Add Marker. Here we can type the name of the junction box, its address or location. Next we can see the option Select Routes. Here trial route and trial route A. Select both routes and click on Done. Next option is Giving Description. Finally, click on Save. We have successfully added a junction. We can see the junction marker on the screen now. Next, we have to add connections in the junction box. Just click the junction marker. We can see a dialog box like this. Here we can see the routes are trial route and trial route A. Click for more actions. Please click on Connections. Now the window is just like this. In this white window, top left side you can see a black color lock symbol. Give a single tap at the lock symbol. It will change to unlock and in blue color. On the top blue bar, we can see Add Device, Add Cables and Save. Now we have to add cables. Click on it and select cable from the list and click on Done. Here we selected 6F or 6 fiber cable. We can drag and drop fibers and devices like this. The selected cable or device is highlighted in yellow color. Next, we have to add the second cable. Click on Add Cables. Then choose the second cable. Here we selected 4F or 4 fiber cable. Next cable is appeared here. We can drag and drop it. To relocate a cable or device, give a long press to activate the drag and drop functionality. Press the rightmost corner option to stop moving cables and devices and select fibers individually. Here we can see the blue fiber in 6F cable and the blue fiber in 4F cable are connected. The blue arrow indicates their connection. Here we can select orange in 6F cables to the orange in 4F cable. Fibers of different colors can be connected. Next, we have to add device. Click on Add Device, then select any device according to your need. Here we can see a number of devices list. Now we are going to select a coupler 60x40. Click on Done. We can see coupler is appeared here. Please note that turn off this button before moving or relocating cables or devices. Now we can easily relocate the coupler Again, activate this button to give connections or select the fibers individually. Connect the coupler to the 6F cables, then the coupler to the 4F cable. We are deactivating this button to relocate the cables and coupler. We can beautify connections using it. Next, we can add another device. Click on Add Device. Select splitter 1x4. Click on Done. Here the splitter is appeared on the screen. We are deactivating this button to relocate the splitter. Here we are changing the position of coupler, splitter, 4F fiber and 6F fiber. Then activate this button to give connections. Now we are trying to connect 6F fiber to the splitter's input. Then output to the 4F fiber. This is how we established a connection in a junction box. Finally, click on this tick button to save. We have successfully saved the connection. Next, we are going to add another route in the junction box. For that, click on this button to draw a new route. Give a long press, then the ash color GPS point is ready to draw the route. Now we are drawing the route. After finishing the drawing, please click on this button to save the drawn route. Give the details about the route, route code, route name, remarks if any, cluster, cable type, number of tubes, color of the tube, etc. And finally, click on Save. Here we can see the new route is successfully saved as trial route A1. Next step is to add the new route to the junction box. Here we can see only trial route and trial route A are connected in the junction box. To add new route to the junction box, click on Edit Junction, then click on Select Routes. Take a look. Only 2 routes are selected and a third route is now available, trial route A1. Click on it and click on Done. Now we can see trial route A, trial route A1 in Select Routes option. Then click on Save. Next, we have to give connections. Click for More Action, then on Connections. All other steps remain the same as previously described. We are adding cables. We can see the third cable 4F black. Click on Done. Then here appeared the new cable. Drag and drop the selected cable. Activating this button to give proper connections. We are choosing a fiber from splitter to the new route. Now we successfully established the connection. Let's add a marker to indicate where the connection ends. Give a single tap. The orange balloon shaped icon appeared. Place it accurately. Then list of markers appeared. Click on End Connection. Add name of the customer, address or location. Now select routes. Then click on Done. Give description. Customer code. Name of the cable provider. Purpose. MAC ID. And phone number. Then click on Save. Here we can see the symbol of a house at the end of this connection point. Final step, give connection to the end customer. Click for more actions, then click on connections. All the steps are we described before. We are adding a cable, here 4F black. Click on done. The cable appeared here. Drag and drop it. Adding device button. Here we are selecting a setup box. Now we are selecting STB Koship HD. Click on done. Drag and drop the setup box. Then activate this button. Connect the fiber to the setup box. And finally save. In this tutorial, we discussed adding and editing of junction boxes, adding a new route to the junction box, and adding an end customer type junction box. Streamline your cable management process with our network map application. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. You can also contact us through email and WhatsApp. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe Pine IT Developer Zone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.